Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a minion theme. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To see my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw two standing lines. Now close both the lines by using down and up curve, both on top and on bottom. Now extend the standing line on both the sides towards down and close it with U curve. Draw two small sleeping line and alphabet M shape curve and W curve just below the M curve, and draw two small sleeping line on another side. Draw two circles for eyes and on another two small circles for an eyeball. Draw small sleeping line and close it with U curve for the mouth. Now draw alphabet M and W curve for the teeth and for the tongue. Draw curved lines on top of the head for the hair. Draw alphabet J curve and reverse J curve. Draw a slanted line both on top and on bottom inside J curve. Draw circles for the buttons. Draw a sleeping line and close it with U curve for the packet. Now draw a slanted line and close it with another slanted line for the left hand and W curve for the fingers. Now repeat the same steps to the right side hand. Now draw two standing line and a semi-oval for the left leg. Again draw two standing line and semi-oval for the right leg. Draw a sleeping line for the ground level. Now draw sharp edge curved triangle in a different size for the grasses and repeat the same to your right side. Draw a sleeping line and alphabet small M curve from one side of the sleeping line to another side of the sleeping line for the clouds. Draw another cloud by repeating the same steps. Draw a semicircle on top of the clouds for the sun. Draw alphabet small r and curve at the bottom for the crow. Let's start coloring. Yellow color. As I always say, give the boundary first before filling the color inside. Start filling the color from one direction to another direction, line by line, so that you don't get white spaces. Blue color. Black color. light green color. Dark green color. Red color. Peach color or skin color. Sky blue color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please try this drawing and share the picture in comment section. In my next drawing, we are going to see how to draw a turtle. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.